Hi there, my name is Dr. Carly Roberts, and I'm the instructor for OT 260, Functional Anatomy for Allied Health Professions. As occupational therapists, it's really important to understand the human body for human movement. And so in this class, we take a deep dive looking at bones, joints, muscles, tendons, nerves, arteries, veins, all the vessels, organs, so that we have a good understanding of how to promote health and how to promote movement and active lifestyles for our clients. In this class, we also use cadavers in our laboratory. This I find really helpful because it really allows students to see how the muscles look in the body and really gain that understanding of how muscles make us move, and it really brings the content to a whole new level. As an occupational therapist who is still treating in the clinic, I use anatomy every single day. So I think what I really encourage, what I want to encourage for students is to understand the complexity and the amazingness of the human body. These are principles that I use day in and day out in the clinic. And so it's really exciting to bring that to life in the classroom. And I hope that students can understand the importance of activity and movement.